Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Belgium plans to acquire 10 NASAMS National Advanced Surface-to-Air Missile System air defense systems through cooperation with the Netherlands to rebuild national air defense capability. Belgium plans to acquire the NASAMS National Advanced Surface-to-Air Missile System air defense system to protect its population and critical infrastructure from aerial threats. Kongsberg said the Belgian government announced the planned acquisition as part of efforts to rebuild national air defense capability. At the NATO summit in Ankara, Belgium signed a cooperation agreement with the Netherlands to purchase modern, multi-layered air defense. The planned procurement would include 10 NASAMS National Advanced Surface-to-Air Missile Systems. After 20 years without one, Belgium will rebuild its own powerful air defense capability with this joint purchase. This step is essential for the protection of our population and critical infrastructure, said Belgium's Defense Minister Theo Franken in a statement. Kongsberg said contract negotiations are still ongoing. The Norwegian defense company said it does not intend to make any further statements until a firm contract has been signed, which is expected later in 2026. Please subscribe, like, share and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.